Try this once manglorian special recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make manglorian special recipe chicken sukka. So without wasting time, let's see how to make it. Take a pan and heat. Now I'm going to add 8 Kashmiri red chilies or Badgi red chilies. Add little oil and then fry them nicely on low flame for 5 minutes. Once done, remove it another plate. Next, in a same pan, add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 8 to 9 peppercorns, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 4 cloves. Fry them nicely for 5 minutes on low flame. Once done, remove it on a plate, cool it. Once cooled down, add them into a mixer jar and add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and grind it into fine powder. Next, take a kadai and add 4 tablespoons of oil to this. Once the oil is hot, add 2 medium-sized onions. Fry them nicely until they are brown in color. As you can see here, the onions are fried well. It will take around 10 minutes. Next, we need to add a few curry leaves and mix well. Now we need to add chicken. Here I have taken well cleaned and washed half kilo of chicken. And along with this, we need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Next, mix well everything together for 5 minutes. The turmeric and the salt should coat all the chicken pieces, so that we need to mix it for 5 minutes very well. After 5 minutes, when the chicken mixed well, we need to add masala powder which we prepared earlier and mix well another 5 minutes. As you can see here, the masala mixed well with chicken. Now we need to cook it for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of water. After adding water, mix and close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am going to add tamarind pulp or tamarind water which I soaked before. Once you add this tamarind pulp or tamarind water, we need to mix it well and then cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Meanwhile, we will prepare another masala for this recipe. So that, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add 1 onion. Along with this, we need to add 1 whole garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger and fry. Once these are fried well, I am going to add half cup of fresh grated coconut and we need to fry as well. Once done, cool it and put it into a mixer jar and then we need to grind it into coarse paste. No need to add any water. After 10 to 15 minutes, we will add coconut and onion mixture to this chicken. Now again we will mix it well for 5 minutes on medium flame. Fry them continuously. In this time you can also check the salt. If required, you can add it. And that's it. The Manglorian special chicken sukka is ready. Now at last I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. This is completely optional. If you don't have ghee, no need to add. You can have this with rice or neer dosa. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share.